The Chinese government unjustifiably detained millions of Uyghurs in re-education camps and has been requested by Turkey to close down these facilities. China then criticized Ankar's statements. The controversy about apparently dead Uyghur folk singer Abdurrahim Hayit causes Chinese Foreign Minister Hua Chunying to affirm the seemingly good condition of the folk singer as shown in a released video recording. The video proves his good health and well-being, so the Foreign Minister. The president of the East Turkestan Information Center, Mr. Karakash, tries once again to warn the world public against China's intrigues. In a statement, Karakash recalls how China failed thousands of years ago on the battlefield against the Turks. After that, intrigues were used to build an invisible power in the Turkish house. Even today, China is using this effective method while appeasing critics from all over the world. Karakash demands vigilance to avoid becoming a victim of Chinese and any other propaganda. The Uyghur leader Abdulkadir Yapcan, who was detained and tortured in Chinese camps, was today presented to the judge in a Turkish court. Hundreds of curious onlookers followed the trial but came also to find out if the defendant was deported to China or allowed to stay in Turkey. Yapcan, who was arrested in 2016, is under the supervision of the United Nations High Commission. The European External Action Service warns diplomats and military officials traveling to Brussels of Chinese agents. Especially Chinese and Russian agents are therefore suspicious because of subversive activities. The service's report mentions about 250 Chinese and 200 Russian agents. According to a statement by the Chinese Foreign Ministry, people are anything but enthusiastic about the two deployed US warships. British Foreign Secretary Gavin Williamson seeks interference and therefore sends the British Navy equipped with F-35 fighter jets to the South China Sea. France initiated first steps towards the opening of a liberal mosque. Many Muslims, however, do not agree on this development. Last year, French President Macron announced the realization of a French Islam. According to this, the Muslim institutions in France should be restricted.